ka ditsebe on Betway's Metshameko Madness. I'm your host, Kennedy Thor. I'm with our contestants, two of Botswana's finest celebrities. We have award-winning hip-hop artist Vizo View.
What's popping, Remote?
Originally, and a very acclaimed comedian, Mr. Bambino. So guys, the winner of today's game will walk away with 10,000 pula, which you will donate to a charity of your choice. Are you ready?
Boy, they're ready.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna count you down to spin this wheel in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is it gonna be tuck and pop? Oh, it is a crazy coin cat.
I want to beat you on this one.
A gold biscuit. Put it on your forehead and get it into your mouth using only your facial muscles, right? Now, the first person to get their first cookie into their mouths gets 2,000 points and automatically starts the clock. You each have 60 seconds to get as many cookies as you can into your mouths for 1,000 points each to try and win this game. Are you ready?
Oh, we're ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Vizo, you have to start over again. Come on. Bambino gets 2,000 points. The clock has started. Vizo all together. Bambino rebela mo go wena.
What's going on?
Let's go, boy. Come on, Vizo. Hey, Vizo got his first golden cookie. Come on now. We're at 15 seconds, 14, 13 seconds. Vizo rebela mo go wena. Santo ka catch up. Are. Ya re ndi besikitsi ba getho. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! How did that feel?
Oh, dude. That was hard.
These are le ba engile ba rona ba galalela ba engile ba goleta. Vizo View, how did that feel?
You know what? That wasn't my best performance, but at least I got one in.
Bambino, how did that feel?
And you know what? I realized my tongue is a very useful muscle, yeah?
Serious?
I managed. With that
Lulimi.
one, my tongue.
Lulimi.
One day.
Well, it's time for the results. We're going to start with Vizo View. Vizo View, you came in at 1,000 points.
Yeah. Okay. That's something.
Kissing.
That's something.
Okay. And then you, Bambino.
Yeah?
Drum roll. Already. 3,000 points, man.
You see now.
Okay.
10,000 pula for your charity.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
If you think these games were fun, check out more on Betway. I'm your host, Yalukulwani, Kennedy Thor. Re tla le bona biki e tlang.